How to leave a chat room in Kakaotalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to leave a chat room in Kakaotalk. Let's get started. First, open the Kakaotalk application on your device and now tap on this chat right here. Now once you tap on chat, select the chat. Let me select this one. Now let's say you wanna leave this chat room. All you have to do is swipe left and you can see leave right here. Just tap on leave and just tap and leave again. In this way, you just left the chat room. Repeat the same process for every account or say every chat you wanna leave. Tap on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and you can see leave chat room right here. Tap on leave chat room and just tap on leave. And that's it. This is how easy it is to leave chat room in Kakaotalk. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.